Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're working with the bright and beautiful Memories and More card pack and cards and envelopes. This is a pack of cards and envelopes. You get 20 card bases and 20 envelopes. And these are just cards. They're already pre-printed on both sides. You get 2 of each design. These are 3x4, and then these are 4x6, and then you get 4 sticker sheets. So you get 2 of each one of these in the pack. They do not come in this case. This is just how I store mine, okay? So before we get started on our project, let's go over some Buzzworthy Business. So we have our July 2023 host code special. When you place an order of $60 or more with me before shipping and tax and you use this host code, I'm going to be sending you a free Bright and Beautiful Memories and More card pack, okay? This, you can only get 1 per customer during this special. But if your order is $150 or more, don't worry about using this host code. You'll still get your free pack of Memories and More, but you'll also qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on that. Next up, we have our Earn to Redeem. From July 6th through the 31st, when you shop with me and spend at least $50 before shipping and tax, you're going to earn a $5 coupon for every $50 you spend. So if your order is $60, you're going to get one $5 coupon. If your order is, let's say, $175, you're only going to get 3 coupons. Only, I say. You get 3 $5 coupons because that's 3 $50 increments inside of your order, okay? It has to be on that order. So you can't order $25 and then another $25 later on and get this. It has to be on one order, okay? So that is all of our Buzzworthy Business. So let's go ahead and get started because we have a lot to do. So our first card is going to be using this beautiful card base here. And these 2 cards from the card pack. This was a 3x4 and I cut it down. I think I took a 1/4 of an inch off each side. So what is that? 3x4. So now it's 2 3/4 by 4 3/4. I mean 3 3/4. And this, I don't even know. I just remember it's 3 inches. I had this. Okay, this, let me just go here. I had this Gold Celebrations Specialty Designer Series paper, and it was already cut to this size. So I just lined it up with this and cut it. I have no idea what size it is. But you can make it whatever size you want when you do it, okay? So we're going to start by decorating this piece with some stickers. I am going to be using this little strip here. And what I'm going to do I want this? I think I want to put it here at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Of course, it's not even. Okay, so let's do 5 at the bottom. No, let's do it right there. Like that. And then I'll just turn it over and cut it. And I want to put this at the top here. Lining it up evenly, I hope. Trying not to get in the camera. Okay. Then we're going to place this on here. You guys know your adhesive shows through the vellum. Through the window sheet, the acetate. So I don't want to just put it on any kind of way. I'm trying to figure out where I need it. So I'm going to put some tearing tape on here. Let me get some tearing tape here. And I want to put it on this side for right now. Let me see. That should be good. And we'll put it across the bottom. That should hold it. So we're going to slant this and put this here. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the tear and tape at the top. Since we have this where we want it, then I'm just going to place this on here. So now we know where to put our adhesive on the acetate. Just like that. Oop. Okay. So now we're going to remove this. And I'm using tear and tape because the liquid glue, it will glue to the acetate, but it'll squish out and slide, and that's not what I'm wanting right now. Let me do another little piece under here on this side. Just sort of stick. Okay. So we're going to line this up. Just like that. And now, I can use some liquid glue. Make sure my corners stick down. Yes, I'm putting glue right over that tear and tape I put at the bottom. It'll be okay. Oh, nope, this is gonna slant because we want our birthday straight. So I need to look at it from this way. We want our birthday straight. There we go. Okay. Oh no, I just made a mess. All right, so now we are gonna put on our Tinsel Gems 4-pack. And I know I'm going to use a glue dot. So let me get those out. I'm going to use a glue dot on this corner right here. About right there. And that's where I'll put a one of our gems. So that'll hold that corner together. What color do we want to use? Decisions. Let's use a bold, dark color. So we'll put we'll put this one right over that glue dot. Oh, come on now. We'll put that there. We can use different colors, don't you think? I don't want to put blue down there. Let's put a green one right here. Maybe a little pink. A little pink. Where's our little pink? I'll put it right here. Okay, that is our first card done. Isn't that cute? Real simple. So let's go on to the next card. Let's move this to the side. Let me put it over here. So the next card is using the other card base that comes in the cards and envelopes. Let me show you guys the envelopes again, because I know I showed them on like the first video in this series, but these are the envelopes that come in the cards and envelope pack. So you can tear it open if you want more of the background. So what I have here for this card is I am using some of the soft shimmer specialty paper. It comes in Berry Burst, Bubble Bath, Lost Lagoon, Night of Navy, and Pretty Peacock. We're going to be using the Bubble Bath and Pretty Peacock. And I also am using the holographic Trio specialty paper, okay? And that comes in the Berry Burst, Starry Sky, and holographic, which is this one. So we're going to be using those along with pieces of the card kit here. Die cut using the circle and the stylish shapes dies. This is the largest circle. These are cut at 6 by ½ inch each. And this one is, I think, 3.5 by 5. So we're going to go ahead and get this down first. I need to be very careful with this because you don't want to get any glue on the front of this because it doesn't really clean off of this very well. So we're going to put that right in the center of our card. Oh, I'm talking about glue and I think I had some on my thumb and got it right there. We'll get a towel. Let me see. I have this little rag here for cleaning glasses and such. Let's see if we can buff that out. Buff that right on out. Get fingerprints off and everything. So we're going to take this one. I probably should have used tear and tape. But we're going to put this right in the center here. I'm happy I got that pretty centered before. Oh, goodness, before I set it all the way down so that I won't get glue everywhere. Okay, so now we're going to glue this card piece that I die cut. I'm sorry, I die cut this with this is the largest of the circles, and this is the second largest in the stylish shapes dies. And I die cut this right out of this 3x4 card from the card pack. So you can save this and use it like I'm gonna, you could cover it up and put something else on top if you like. So we're gonna do this. And I'm thinking I want to put this up on dimensionals, but before I do, I'm gonna glue these together like this. So for this, I am gonna use tear and tape just to glue them together. Right in the center here. Am I too low? Can you see what I'm doing? I put a little piece of tear and tape there, and I'm going to crisscross these just a bit, like that. Okay. Then we can put some more tear and tape. Across the back there. And this is going to go about right here. And this is going to go, oh my, did I move that? Ooh. I'm going to do it just like that. Isn't that cute? Okay, so we're going to pop this up on dimensionals. So let me get some dimensionals. Let's use some black ones, since this is a kind of a dark color. I'm gonna have to use a lot because these are minis. Like I wouldn't use a lot if they weren't minis. Oh my goodness. I'm only trying to fool myself here. Okay, that should be enough. Let's go ahead and stick this down. Come on. Okay. want to try to get this on here evenly. About right there. That should do it. Let's get these backings off. I'm using my take your pick tool because it goes a little faster, I think. Guess you have to remove them after you get so many. Okay. So now we can add this right over everything on here. Voila. And now we are going to add what? Some Tinsel Gems 4-pack. So we have Pretty Peacock and Bubble Bath. So let's use something that this is, I keep calling this Lemon Lolly, but it's actually Lemon Lime Twist. I don't know why I can't get this come off. Yeah, that's where I want you to go, right there. And let's do, that's a Pretty Peacock Lemon Lolly. Let's do a pink. The pink is actually Berry Burst, but there you have it. So where's our first card? These are the 2 cards that we made today. Aren't they cute? I like these. I like the specialty papers. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.